Have you ever found yourself unsure about which AI model to use? You might end up managing multiple accounts across platforms. I'm Laura and welcome to our DeepAdvisor series. Today I'll introduce you to the AdHocChat, a solution that streamlines your AI experience. With just one account you have access to the world's leading models and receive direct answers to your queries. Let's explore how you can make your AI interactions more efficient. The AdHocChat makes it easy for you to communicate in natural language. You can ask questions, get information, and get help with a variety of tasks like writing, summarizing texts, or understanding complex topics in a simple way. To get started, simply choose the AI model you'd like to use. We offer a range of models from providers like Google and DeepSeek. To include results from Google Search, just pick a Gemini model and use the slider to turn this feature on. You can also decide on the style of the responses you'd like to get. When you're ready, just type your question or request in the box at the bottom and click Send. If you need to upload a file, you can do so easily by clicking on the Share button or the folder icon. This lets you add documents you have stored on the DeepAdvisor platform. There is also a document icon that allows you to connect to your tablet or phone, so you can capture images or scan documents directly into the chat. On the right side, you'll find your chat history. You can rename your current chat for easy reference. Click the three dots to add a chat to your favorites, or delete the chat if you no longer need it. Clicking the star symbol lets you switch between seeing all your chats or just your favorites. You can also use the search bar to quickly find chats by their title. And of course, you can start a new chat at any time. This was an overview of the AdHocChat. If you want to learn more about DeepAdvisor's features, check out other videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.